And a state of chaos at the Noida District Hospital due to huge turnout of senior citizens and beneficiaries. The reason is several private hospitals are yet to receive doses and hence they are not able to conduct the drive. As a result, most of the beneficiaries are reaching the government hospitals for vaccination. Alok Singh tracking this story for us. We'll try and go across to Alok, who's at the Noida District Hospital at the moment. Important part here is that there's a state of chaos and overcrowding in the Noida District Hospital. Let me go across to Alok to show us around a bit. Alok, you are at the Noida District Hospital. I believe that people are rushing into these government centers since the private centers, it seems, do not have the stock at the moment. Tell us what's happening, please.
Yes, Afrida. In fact, right now I am in District Hospital Noida, and first I would like to show you what's all happening around here. You can see large number of people, all are elderly people. They are gathered over here to get the vaccination done. And in fact, you can see the places are not there. The sitting places, seats are not there, and most of them are standing as well. The reason is because lot of people are turning to the government hospital, and the main reason is also what we are learning, that in the private hospital the vaccines have not yet reached. That is what the problem the private hospitals are facing, and also that is the reason this way this walk-in in fact kind of thing is going on. In fact, ma'am, आप लोग का walk-in ही चल रहा है? It's all walk-in आपका या आपने
रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया ऑनलाइन?
ऑनलाइन, तो उसी के थ्रू कर रहे हैं या वॉक-इन भी हो रहा है?
ये तो नहीं मालूम, ऑनलाइन हमने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया है, वैसे भी हो रहा है शायद, पता नहीं, पूछ।
Okay, so this is what the thing is, and here you can see the other part. One chamber is there, and there is another thing, another center where they are registered. मैम आप लोग there you can see that many people are also sitting at the ground floor, and here this is lift. You can see large crowd in the lift as well. In fact, I will talk to some of the elderly people as well, that what kind of problems did they face. अंकल, आप ये बताइएगा कि किस तरह की दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ा जब आप यहाँ पर आए, क्योंकि हमने देखा कि सुबह भी काफ़ी लेट में काम शुरू हुआ।
देखिए, दिक्कत तो सबसे ज़्यादा हम लोग स्वयं पैदा करते हैं। अनुशासन से अगर रहें, हॉस्पिटल के कर्मचारी अगर हमको समझाते थे तो सीनियर सिटीजन होने के बावजूद भी हम लोग नहीं मान रहे थे।
सर, एक बात ये बताइए कि जो प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स को जो देना था दवाइयाँ, वो अभी नहीं पहुंची, और वहाँ पर बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल ऐसा कह रहे हैं कि अभी तक हमको ऑर्डर नहीं दिया।
ये जो है तकलीफदेह है कि उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार कहती है कि नोएडा में 20 गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल और 15 जो है प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल डेजिग्नेटेड हैं, जिनमें 4 तारीख से लगेगी, लेकिन पूछने पर लोग कहते हैं कि हमको सीएमओ का ऑर्डर ही नहीं मिला। हाँ,
इसी कारण से सरकारी अस्पतालों की तरफ आप लोग
नहीं सर, हम तो जिंदगी भर सरकारी नौकरी किए, हमें सरकार पर ही विश्वास है।
ठीक है सर, आप कैसे रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया था? हाउ डिड यू गेट इट?
मुझे ठीक लगा है, मैं विदाउट रजिस्ट्रेशन आया हूँ। हाँ।
So do you think that walk-in is more suitable than registration?
मोर सूटेबल। या
रीजन क्या है सर?
रीजन ये है कि पोर्टल कभी मिलता ही नहीं है, ढूंढते रहते हैं। अगर मिल जाते तो हॉस्पिटल नहीं बताते कौन से हॉस्पिटल में जाना है, कहाँ जाना है, और अपना यहाँ आ गए, वॉक-इन पे आ गए हैं तो पता था कि यह डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल में लग रहा है, तो यहाँ आ गए, आराम से लगे। हाँ,
ठीक है। So this is what the thing is, that I already told you. The reason is many private hospitals have not got order as well, and that is the reason in the government hospital large crowd we are seeing. Back to you.
All right. So thank you for bringing us those voices, Alok, of people who have come there to get vaccinated and the concerns that they are facing, especially senior citizens who are still waiting for their turn to take the jab. Thanks for joining us.